guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So please take a moment and hit that red subscribe button. Also press that bell icon. So every time I upload a video, you will get notification. By the title and by the thumbnail, you already know what this video is going to be about. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. आई डोंट नो आजकल क्या हो रहा है, मीशो पे बैग्स इतने अच्छे मिल रहे हैं या मैं बहुत अच्छे फाइंड कर रही हूँ. ऑल्सो इन दिस वीडियो ऑल द बैग्स आर अंडर ₹500, so you can buy it and it worth every single penny because the quality is so good. And let me just show you. Starting this video on a very strong note, the first bag is this. Look at the bag. The bag itself looks so beautiful. And look at the detailing. The detailing is so neat, so precise and so clean. I love overall the aesthetic of this bag. Also, it has this stitch button kind of thing. The inner part is golden and the side part is also golden. This bag is super spacious. Also, it has 2 pockets and 1 zipper. It cannot hold your mobile, but you can put a lot of stuff in this, like powder, lipstick, room keys and all. You can just hold it like this, and you also get the sling kind of thing, so it will turn into your shoulder bag. So it looks so good. Also, this is very affordable. I will pop the prices on the screen. Up next, I have this black tote bag. Look at the size. The size is so perfect for daily use. The only thing I need in tote bag is it has to be lightweight and it has to be a zipped one. But it doesn't come with zipper, but I don't mind. Like, this is so spacious. It can hold my everyday stuff, but it cannot fit my laptop in. Also, it comes with the another pocket. The pocket doesn't have zipper, but you can store a lot of stuff inside. If you like your tote bag to be organized, you can easily put the organizer in the tote bag and it will easily fit inside your tote bag. Also, you can just dump all the stuff in this. And look at the detailing. The size is so perfect. You can adjust the size accordingly. The only thing I doesn't like in this tote bag is this, the written classy lady, classy woman thing. But overall, the quality is so good. Up next, I have another tote bag, that too in white color. The color is so good, but it will get dirty very soon. Also, the straps are super thin. And the good part is this, it comes with the zipper. Also, look at the bag. The bag is super spacious. It can fit my mini laptop, like the chota wala laptop or maybe an iPad, and it will fit a lot of stuff inside it. And the best part about this, it comes with the back zipper also. Like, the pocket is spacious. You can put all your cards, keys inside. Also, this bag comes with its own coin pouch. Like, you can store keys, coins and some money over here. And it can fit a lot of stuff inside. And this is very good for everyday use. And it has 2 or 3 color more. And overall, I like this bag so much. Also, this bag is super light and the size is so perfect for a tote bag. Up next, I have this handbag, and look at the shape. The shape is so pretty and the hardware is golden, and I really love this bag. Also, look at the bag. Also, the bag is super spacious and it can hold a lot of stuff inside. And inside this, it also has 1 pocket. The only thing I don't like about this bag is the classy woman written on the front. But nevertheless, I can turn it backward. Like, I can use it like this. And this is a hobo bag and it looks so good with any of the outfit. Last but not the least, I have this beautiful pearl handbag. Look at the size. The size is so perfect and the pearl bag looks super elegant. Also, it has magnetic closure. Also, it comes with this big string, and if you want to use it, you can use it as a sling bag. or you can just hold it like this, and this looks so beautiful. The bag is super spacious, and it can hold a lot of stuff inside. It can fit your mobile phone, a lipstick, card, and everything. The bag is so cute and elegant. Also, this bag is most expensive in this haul, but nevertheless it's worth every single penny. And look at the beauty, the finishing, the quality, everything is so beautiful. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do let me know which bag do you like the most. I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.